myself Anuradha. I'm a psychologist, a life coach and an adoption counselor. Today I'm going to talk about a topic, breakups. Yes, you heard me well. Breakup is a very emotional feeling, a sad feeling that when we go through breakups, we literally feel that we just don't like this, the existence of our and this world as well. So that's a difficult emotion to deal with, wherein you feel that your whole world is upside down and you want to really feel better as soon possible. So it's not easy to come out of it so quickly, definitely, but when we work on to with the right direction, we definitely can do something for ourselves, right? So breakup is that thing that can happen with our friends, with our partner, or can be with boyfriend, girlfriend, and this situation definitely can create an intense situation in your mind for some time, and if you won't take care of yourself, that can really fall you into depression. So you definitely don't have to step into depression, so you have to handle it nicely, stay mature, and you can act on it by using these self-help tips. Here I'm going to share with you the number one professional tip is accept it and let it be. Definitely things happen in our life wherein we should accept for whatever reason it has happened, right? So breakup can be for number of reasons. You need to accept it, you need to let it be. So whatever is the reason, you have to accept it. When you will accept, you will allow yourself to grow better, because whatever happen with us, that help us to gain some experience in life, and experiences definitely help us to grow in life. So you need to accept whatever has happened. When you will accept it, you will be at ease and you can understand that let it be. So second thing is listen to music. Music is a therapy in itself, right? So when you feel low, whenever you are in a situation where you feel stressed or when you are anxious, you can listen to music, because music helps us to heal, to feel calm, to feel relaxed, and that helps us to rejuvenate our soul. So this is one therapy that which you don't need to go to doctors to take. You can just listen to the music and use this tip to feel better and get better. So to get rid of this breakup feeling, you can definitely listen to a calming music that helps you to feel relaxed and feel better and happier. So the next tip is talk to your friend. So when you're feeling depressed, that this breakup has really tear you apart and you're feeling so low, depressed, you can definitely talk to a friend, maybe to whom you have not spoken and from a long time. This can really help you. Why? Because when you will talk to them, you will feel better sharing and expressing yourself out. So you can find out that very best friend in your life, and definitely everyone does have, right? So when you will talk to your friend, and you can feel better and happier, because when you will talk to them, you feel happy and you will be able to express what has happened with you. Even if you don't want to tell about your breakup, that is absolutely okay, but talking to friends definitely give us a happy moment and happy feelings. So this is another way you can get over through the breakup, right? So the next one is self-care. Friends, I really want to recommend that when we go through a breakup, right, that can become a very serious issue if we don't take care of ourselves, right? We can get into depression if we don't take care. So to really beat with this thing, you need to understand to take care of yourself, in which you should eat well, you should exercise well, and take entirely good care for yourself, and rather take more care than usual, because you most need it at this time. So give some extra time to yourself, and that will help you to feel happier. And next one is when you're depressed and feeling low because of your breakup, you can spend some me time, because me time will help you to and allow you to feel happier. Why? Because when you are spending the time with your own self, you can do whatever you want, because there can be various things your friend or your partner must have stopped you from doing. So this is the best chance, the best time wherein you can do anything what you want and you can feel happier, right? So this me time is your time. Utilize it well, do whatever you wish to, because no one is there to stop you from doing anything, right? So use this time to do all those things which you were refraining yourself since ages, right? So do whatever, and I recommend that you take care of yourself. That can be your physical appearance and your inner soul. Work on it, and that will definitely help you feel rejuvenated, happy, and a new you. Lastly, I would suggest you to give yourself a break. That's very much important and much needed. Whatever the things you have dealt with, the things recently happened in your life, definitely there may remain a number of reasons behind. But when you will give yourself a break, you will understand things better. Because in the chaos, we do miss a lot of things we don't understand, and things when we are overwhelmed, we overlook, right? So when you will give yourself some time and some break, this will help you to know yourself better. So this is the right time to introspect yourself, give this break to you, and just get back in the track of life. So this is how you can beat with your breakup and can feel happier and can get back to the normal track. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, you can mention on the email address given below, and even you can write down on the comment section below. I will definitely answer your all queries like usual. And thanks for watching. Stay happy, stay blessed, definitely.